Here at the South Perth foreshore, the City of South Perth has just completed a major environmental project designed to create habitat for waterbirds. Djirda Miya, a Noongar name meaning home of the birds, has created a safe sanctuary for black swans and other wildlife to nest. We're particularly proud of the way that we've been able to achieve multiple environmental benefits with this project, whilst creating a community asset for ecology and learning.
Yes, this project's actually got a really interesting history. Culturally, black swans are really important to the state. They're on our flag and they're on our coat of arms. People have been trying to attract black swans back to the river that bears their name for over 100 years. One early attempt back in 1896 involved fencing the entire Miller's Pool area and pinioning the swans' wings. And what this meant is that they couldn't escape. So I feel like we've come a long way in our understanding of wildlife conservation since then. Unfortunately though, in the 50s, things were made worse for the swans. So the fringing habitat that was all along the river was removed and walls were built in their place, and this limited their access to the river. We learned a lot from this as well, and fortunately in the year 2000, the state government commissioned a report called Bringing Back the Swans. And basically what that report did was create these little kind of habitat havens all along the Swan River that were to encourage swans to return on their own accord. By creating an island that's completely separated from the foreshore, we can create a safe place for swans and birds, away from dogs and people, and then we also have a sloped beach so they can access the water and forage for food. Shelter provided by the island offers a safe place to birds to take off and land on windy days. We grew around 11,000 native plants and 20 trees at the city's nursery for this project, which will provide further protection and improve biodiversity. I'm proud to say that we're already seeing birds make the most of their new home. You will find the Black Swan Habitat at Sir James Mitchell Park near Coode Street. Find out more by visiting the city's website.